How to fix GCash device not secure. Now, there are a few reasons why this can happen. So, apparently, this could be because of having VPNs on, developer options, or your system or app is outdated. So just go ahead and make sure all of those is cleared up before you go ahead and try reopening GCache again. So make sure your system is at the highest version possible. So go ahead and update that and make sure your Gcache is updated to the latest version as well. So of course you can do that in your Play Store. Other than that, if you have VPNs on, just go ahead and turn it off and try reopening Gcache and see if it works. But if not, we also have the developer options that is possibly on. So you could turn that off directly here in the settings. So once you're in the settings, scroll down to the additional settings and you should be able to see developer options if you scroll down a bit more. So here, developer options, and just go ahead and switch that off and try going ahead to Gcache and see if that works. So if you'd like as well, you can still try clearing cache as well. This could help clear some unused data and free up space in Gcache that will possibly cause problems. So you can go ahead and do that here in settings still. Go ahead to your apps over here and you can search for Gcache or just scroll for it or find it over here. So let's just go the scroll method, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, since it's alphabetical. And in the bottom right is the clear all cache option. Don't clear all data since you're gonna have to relog in, but you can do that if you want. But clear cache is pretty much usually good enough. But after you do all of those, just go ahead and see if you can reopen Gcache without having the same error. But hopefully, one of these methods can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.